In this video I'll show you how to knit this scrunchie. It is a very quick and easy project which is great for using your scrap yarn. You will need a hair tie that we will be knitting around to create the scrunchie. Make a slip knot. Place it on the needle. It is our first stitch. Now take the hair tie, go under the hair tie, grab the yarn and pull it up. Yarn over. And now repeat. Go under the hair tie, grab the yarn, pull it up. Yarn over. Repeat it until you cast on stitches enough to cover the whole hair tie, and the number of stitches should be a multiple of 10. I cast on 60 stitches. I will knit in a magic loop. The first row is a setup row, just knit all stitches. Row 2, knit 7. Purl 3. Repeat it until the end of the row. Knit 7. Purl 3. Row 3, knit 3. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3. Purl 3. And now repeat it until the end of the row. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, purl 3. Row 4, knit 9. Purl 3. And repeat it until the end of the row. Knit 9. Purl 3. Repeat rows 3 and 4. The number of knit stitches will increase with each repeat. Let me show it. Row 3. You can see here is the center stitch between two eyelets. We knit all stitches to the center stitch, then we yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and continue knitting until the purl section. Here is the purl section, 3 purls, and then we repeat it. We knit all stitches until the center stitch between two eyelets, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit all stitches until the purl section. So now we knit 4. We reach the center stitch, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 4. Now purl 3. And repeat it. Knit all stitches to the center stitch. Here. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit all stitches until the purl section. Purl 3. Repeat it until the end of the row. When you repeat row 4, knit all knit stitches and all yarn overs, and purl all purl stitches. Repeat these 2 rows until the desired length. When you reach the desired length, bind off in 1 by 1 ribbing. Knit 1, purl 1, pass the stitch over the stitch. Knit 1, pass the previous stitch over the stitch. Purl 1, pass the previous stitch over the stitch. Now repeat it until all stitches are bound off. If you enjoyed this pattern, I'd be glad if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and followed me on Instagram for more tutorials and knitting content. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. Bye bye!